Welcome replay viewers and good morning everybody. We are at the Long Island Railroad Speonk station. Hi Norm, thank you for joining. It's been a while. Hello to you. This is a practice video for Friday when I start doing the cannonball again for the summer. Welcome John. Thanks for inviting your followers, Norm. Hi to you, John. Thank you. Yeah, this is Long Island Railroad train 2704 from Babylon to Montauk. And we're using this as a rehearsal for Friday morning, Friday evening, when we start doing the summer and holiday trains again. Beautiful day here, absolutely beautiful. As you can see, the sky is nice and blue. Temperature's about 65 right now, going to 70 Fahrenheit. Train is due in about 4 minutes. As I mentioned, Friday, I will definitely be at West Hampton around 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Oh, thanks for sharing this link. Yeah, Friday afternoon is the first run of the Cannonball for 2019. Long Island Railroad's premier express train from Penn Station to West Hampton and the Hamptons. So we'll be out there at West Hampton on Friday evening to cover that, to start the summer. No, I'm not going anywhere near the Hamptons, well, other than to go to West Hampton on Friday night. It's going to be crowded out there this weekend, based on the forecast that I've seen. We're supposed to have good warm weather all weekend in the 70s, so I'm sure quite a few people will be coming out to the East End to kick off the start of the 2019 season. There's a horn of the train 2704 coming through the village of Eastport right now, about a mile to the west of us. Yeah, it looks like from the 10-day forecast, Friday through Monday are going to be perfect days. It'll be again sunny and in the 70s, so I'm sure there are quite a few people heading to the Hamptons and to Montauk this coming weekend. Thanks for the hearts, appreciate that. This is a regular Monday to Friday weekday train from Babylon to Montauk. Gets here at Speonk about 9:45. From here it has another hour and 15-minute trip to Montauk. And then they turn the equipment and it runs back as an early afternoon train back to the city. Thanks for joining. So we'll see him come down the track here in a few minutes in what we call single track diesel territory here on the east end of Long Island. Hey, Trainman 1 joining, thank you. Welcome, Long Island Railroad train 2704, Babylon to Montauk. Monday to Friday train. Let's see what engine we have today. DE30AC 417 is leading today. Okay. Normal nominal 4-car set Kawasaki C3 bilevel passenger cars. The last car is a cab car. Morning. cab car 5021. So on the return trip from Montauk, this will be where the engineer operates the train. A few people getting off here, usually railroad workers. Alright, this is Speonk. The next station is West Hampton, 7 minutes from here to the east of us. Then the train will stop at Hampton Bays, Southampton, Bridgehampton, East Hampton, Amagansett, and Montauk. Then they will turn the equipment and it'll run westbound at 11:18 as train 2707 back to Jamaica. So not crowded, but I will tell you right now, this train Friday morning will most likely be packed, and they'll probably be operating with 5 C3 cars. And they redesignate the train 2794 for the holiday Friday because they run 2 trains in the morning. Okay, good people, thanks for joining me this morning. Thank you for all the hearts. And we'll be back on the air again, definitely Friday, with Cannonball and other Long Island Railroad trains. So good to see everybody again. Thank you. Take care now.